Hello everyone. Hello. In this video clip, I'm going to give you an inside view of how I'm working toward building more daily passive streams of income from using the web. And this is a screenshot of an inside view to my AdSense account for website ad income, not YouTube. And I've been working in the background. I put it on the back burner for a long time, developing skills, setting up the foundation, figuring out my method of producing daily residual income. So this is a motivator for you. This is how it starts. This might be a joke to some people, but everybody starts someplace. Just like a store or a restaurant, they earn their first dollar. Well, with AdSense income, Google AdSense revenue, you earn your first penny. Today, I'm very grateful. From one click, I earned 53 cents. I'm so grateful for that. Yesterday, I earned 6 cents. In the past 7 days, 13 cents. And this month, $1.16. And my balance so far is $14.02. I feel this is a realistic goal. This time next year, I want to earn $10 a day from my AdSense website ad income alone. That is, in my opinion, a realistic goal to set for myself. I feel I can obtain that. Next. Here is an inside view to my YouTube studio from my phone. I took screenshots, and this is my other YouTube channel, Home Base Income 101. It's a miscellaneous channel, but I mainly speak about gig work, getting out in the field, food delivery, and product delivery, and shop and deliver. So right now, I've never paid for advertising for this channel. 3,774 subscribers. I am so happy about that because each week I gain a few more subscribers. Now on the right side, you see $152.98. I've been reaching the YouTube minimum payout every 2 months, every other month. And hey, it's residual income working in my favor in the background while I continue to work on streams of income that earn me daily passive income. And I work in the field. So far in January, I've earned $19.35. It's only going to get better. Eventually, I will have a couple of channels earning me money, and I should hit the minimum payout, which is $100 a month with YouTube. Eventually, I'll get there. But the point is, it's a little bit of income every day that I'm earning passively from work I did yesterday. Here is a inside view, a screenshot of my ClickBank account. I joined. In a moment, I'll show you a couple of pages that I put together to promote a product that I personally use. And I earned $160.46. But I see payment net balance is $144.41. Let's see if I could do this right. Right there. You see that? Payment net balance. $144.41. But there is something to know about ClickBank. I'm going to continue to promote their products. I am ready. And I've joined other affiliate programs. Now, let me go here. The customer distribution requirement. With ClickBank, to meet the customer distribution requirement, users are required to generate at least 5 sales that meet criteria to demonstrate legitimate purchases. Fair enough. That's a good thing. I know this time next year I'll get payouts from this, and I'm hoping sooner, maybe in 6 months. But you have to start someplace. I created a page and someone bought the product, and a product that I use, which is very cool. I'm very happy about that. So that's another stream of income working in my favor. Okay, hold on, guys. I thought I had this all set up properly. Shoot. Well, you know what? I'll talk about this first. This is myincomejob.com website that I built. It's a blog/website. And as you can see, this is my sticky ad on top. That's an AdSense ad. But all the other ads, AdSense is placing them. I'm not. They feel my websites are worthy to show ads on. So they put this one here. They put the one in the sidebar. They put this one in the sidebar. And my latest post is XRP, a crypto study. And I created that banner. And if you scroll down, this is an AdSense ad right here. They placed that there. They placed this one there. Another one there. And if I go all the way down, they have one on the bottom too. But that means I'm doing something right. If Google AdSense feels that my work is worthy to show ads on, that's great. So I'm going to click here. And that's my latest post. And you see, that's my sticky ad. That's the one ad I place. I like an ad on top. And on this page, they have another different kind of ad in the sidebar. But this is all my content. I use artificial intelligence to help me write better quality content. It's really about grammar. But these are my words. These are my thoughts. So it's working out pretty good. I scroll down. And I share a story about introducing crypto to a neighbor. Ooh, see how they placed another ad here? Gain a competitive edge. That increases the odds of people. And these are ads. These are AdSense ads. So, don't give up. Just keep going for it. There's another ad on the bottom. I'm only going to get better and better and better. I'm not going to get worse. Here's my other website. Ooh, that's an interstitial ad. I forget. I need the word in front of me. I'm sorry. But if I close it, see, I have the sticky ad on top. That's me. And they place an ad here. And my latest post is about the product that I sold. Burn the calories stored in fat storage. I just wrote this one yesterday. But the one that made me the sale came from weight loss pills. So I updated this one yesterday and I created this one yesterday. And of course, Google AdSense is showing ads. And this is a banner I put together that's linked to my affiliate link to sell the product. And this is all my own words, my own content. And I was creative and put things together. And AdSense, Google AdSense has more ads showing in the sidebar and on the bottom too, which is nice. This is all Google AdSense. And on the very bottom. Okay, I showed you that. Why show you this? This is an app that I promote and I use to buy gas and I receive cash back, but it's another little stream of income working in my favor. And I should have taken a screenshot of that. I think 174 people who join the app through my affiliate link. So every day I earn a little bit of money, like 1 penny to 50 cents a day. And this is about a week ago. Well, last time I cashed out. But the point is I cash out twice a month. It's almost $30. It's a little stream of income working in my favor. It's only going to get better. I'll include the link to this app in the description below. You save money every time you get gas. And guys, if I can do it, so can you. Formulate a system of daily residual income. Formulate your own proven system and have full control over your own business. So stay tuned and I'll continue to share what I'm working on and how I continue to expand and how I continue to earn daily residual income faster each day. That's the goal. Have a good one. Bye for now.